Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Hannah if you are new here, and if you guys are, make sure to stick around by hitting the subscribe button down below. As you guys can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be my quarantine haul. So basically just everything I bought in quarantine. There were so many sales, I definitely had to take advantage of them. This haul doesn't have too many things in it, but I still really wanted to show you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just get started. So the first store I'm going to start with is one of my favorite stores named Misguided. So the first item is this haltered bralette. I honestly did not think it's going to be this short. I thought it was going to go to like a little bit of my belly button. So I'm not really sure how I'm going to wear this. Definitely something summery, but I still think it's super cute. I like how it has ribbed detailing, if you can see that. The next thing I got from Misguided is this tan bodysuit. It looks like this. I feel like it's super cute. I'm kind of planning on wearing this whenever things get back to normal, like when I go out and stuff. Probably like, honestly, probably not even until like next spring or something, whenever everything opens up again. But it was a really good discounted price, so I thought I would buy it. I feel like it's really simple, which I like because you can dress it up with jewelry and a pair of jeans and booties, maybe something like that. I also love wearing tan. I feel like it complements my skin tone really well, and it also matches with everything. The next thing I got from Misguided is another bodysuit that I plan on wearing out, so I probably won't be wearing it for a while. It looks like this. So as you can tell, it's black and it's off the shoulder, and I really like the front. That's kind of what made me buy it. I like how it's ruched in the front. I feel like it's gonna make it look super flattering. I have so many black bodysuits, but this one's a little different than the ones I have. Another thing I like about it is that it's long sleeve, because in Tallahassee it gets really cold in the winter time, and I need like going out outfits that will keep me warmer. So hopefully this will do the job. It's a little thin, but not too bad. I really like this piece. And the last thing I got from Misguided is this really cute tank top. I absolutely love this. So the thing that's a little bit different about it is that it's kind of a sweater material, but it's still really lightweight for summer. And I feel like the color is so pretty. It's like lilac? I'm not even sure. It's like in between pink and purple, I would say. And it's really cute also because, as you can see, the corners have like a scalloped edge. I feel like that makes it look so much more interesting, as well as the material itself is ribbed, as you can see, and I feel like that just makes it textured, so it makes it stand out more. This is a really good summer top. The next store that I shopped from was Pretty Little Thing. This was my first time shopping there, and overall I like everything, but the one thing I have to say is the material is kind of iffy. Like, a lot of the shirts are kind of see-through, but other than that, I still think the clothes are super cute, and I do like them a lot. So I got these sweatpants. I just really needed a pair of gray sweatpants, so these are the ones I chose to get. I believe these are the jogger style, as you can tell by the bottoms. They don't have like a string or anything at the front. They just have an elastic waistband, and they're really simple but super cute. I've been wearing sweatpants so much because of quarantine, so I figured these were definitely a necessity, and I wear them all the time. The next pair of bottoms I have from Pretty Little Thing are these biker shorts, but these are definitely shorter than regular biker shorts, and they're very high-waisted. This actually came in a pack of 2, so it had a black pair too, but I literally cannot find them anywhere. They're probably in my laundry somewhere, but just know that it comes in a pack of 2, but they probably sell them individually as well if you wanted. I really like the gray pair. They're really flattering to make your butt look hella good. I feel like they're really good for summer, which is like a tank top or a t-shirt. So sorry if the next item is a little wrinkled. I wear it. Alright guys, so the next thing I got from Pretty Little Thing is another t-shirt, but it's baby pink, my favorite color. I feel like this is so cute. It's the perfect pink color. The only thing I will say is that it's really small. Like, do you see the sleeves? Like, this is the size of like a kid's shirt, and it's the same size I got on all my other shirts. It's a 0. I guess I should have gotten a 2 probably. But other than that, it's still super cute. I feel like with sweatpants or biker shorts, or even like jeans and denim shorts. The next 3 things I'm showing you are all really cute tank tops, which are perfect for like summer. That's what I bought them for, at least. The first one might honestly be my favorite. So I have a picture of this on my Instagram, so if you guys should definitely follow my Instagram. I have a link to it in the description always. It's this really cute tank top. So the first thing I like about it, of course, is that it's pink, and then I like how it's one-shouldered. I feel like it makes it different. And then to make it even more different, it has 2 straps on the one shoulder, which I think is super cool. And then the bottom is another scallop detailing, which I really like. It just makes it more fun rather than just having a regular hem. And then the next thing I have is this army green tank top. I feel like this isn't really a summer color, but I'm still going to wear it. I really like this one because it matches my skin tone really well and like my hair and stuff. It's a simple tank top, but to make it more interesting, it crosses in the front, which definitely makes it more fun rather than just a plain little tank top. So I really like that about it. The last clothing item I have to show you guys is another little tank top, but it's different because it has a little bit of a turtleneck, as you guys can see, and it doesn't really have any sleeves. It's like, well, it's like a tank top obviously, but the sleeves are like really open. And it's a nude color, which I love. Like I said, it matches everything. I really love this one. So I feel like you can pair it with so many different outfits and you can wear it on so many different occasions. So the next couple things I bought are from Ulta. I wasn't sure if I was going to show you guys this or not, but I figured I might as well. The stuff I bought from Ulta is just like skincare stuff. So the first thing I got is the Ordinary Niacinamide plus zinc. If you watch Skincare by Hiram, you know he really recommends the Ordinary product, so I thought I would try it out. I really like this. I feel like my skin definitely looks really clear right now, so this is definitely a good thing to buy. The next Ordinary product I bought is the Ordinary Peeling Solution. I really like this. It's like a face mask kind of, but it's like a really strong peeling one. And after I use it, my skin is so soft and glowing. It definitely works really well. Literally looks like blood, which is funny, but I really like it. I also got bio oil because I have a couple acne scars because I was breaking out from wearing my mask, and my acne all went away because I guess I got used to the mask, but I have like a couple little acne scars on my nose and on my cheek, so I got this to see if I can lighten them up. I honestly don't really notice a difference yet at all, and I've already gone through this much, but I'm gonna keep using this and hopefully it'll work because I've heard so many good things about bio oil. The next thing I got is this e.l.f. lip scrub. I got it in brown sugar. I really like this because I feel like it's so much less messy than a normal lip scrub where you like have to go in a little jar and, you know, put on your lips and everything. It falls everywhere. I feel like this is so much easier. You literally just apply like lipstick back and forth, and I love the brown sugar one because it smells so good and it works really nicely. And then the last thing I bought is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I definitely really like this. I feel like it applies my foundation on really smoothly. It also helps me not break out when I wear makeup, so I really like that. It's really important for me. I would recommend it. So many people have been talking about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to show you a couple things I bought during quarantine. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you watched all the way till the end, comment your favorite thing that I showed in this haul. And I love you guys so much. Bye.